Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be checking out the FreeVision Vilta-m Pro. But before we go out in the field and test the stabilization, how this gimbal performs, we will do a balancing test. So I've got two smartphone devices here. We've got the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus along with the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is one of the devices that struggles balancing on the current gimbals that are out in the market as of right now. So I've tested out on the Xeon Smooth 4 and the DJI OSMO Mobile 1, Mobile 2 and 3. This will not balance it whatsoever, guys. You do need a gimbal that has a higher payload. When it comes to specs on the Vilta-m Pro, total weight is roughly around 1.5 pounds. The total payload you could go up to is 275 grams, and the battery life on this is approximately 17 hours. So it is packing a lot of specs inside this tiny body. So let's start with the Galaxy S10 Plus here. So if you are shooting wide angle, you do need to forward the device, the S10 Plus, a little bit to the left side, because you will notice this part of the gimbal when you are shooting in those ultra wide angle. So the best way to do it is to slide it to the left side like so until you don't see that back portion of the gimbal. All right, you do have plenty enough counterbalance for that space you have there. So all you have to do is just crank it up on the side here and it should balance. If you don't, just slide your smartphone device more to the left and just adjust it from there. All right, so as you can see, you have plenty of gap there to get rid of this back portion of the gimbal when you are shooting the ultra wide. So as you can see, it is completely balanced. And you do have a case as well, so it has plenty of counterbalance to balance any smartphone devices in the market as of right now. So let's move on to the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is the heaviest device as of right now in the market, and a lot of gimbals cannot balance this device. So I'll show you guys that you can balance it with this gimbal. Like I said earlier, the current gimbal that you could actually balance with this is the Xeon Crane M2, which is a little bit pricier than the gimbal that I have right now. So as you can see, you have plenty of counterbalance to balance this device. And also I do have my case on too. So now I have to adjust it to my left side because it's too heavy to my right. Usually with the other gimbal, it will be left side heavy, which this time it is right side heavy. So I have to play around with the counterbalance here to make sure I get it balanced. So as you can see right there, I am pretty much balanced now, but I'm just gonna move this a little bit more so that we get that perfect balance. So as you can see, that is pretty much perfect balance, guys. So this is pretty much ready to go. So I'll show you guys a couple of clips that I already took from my Galaxy S10 Plus. And to be honest, guys, I was impressed and blown away by how smooth this gimbal performs. So check it out and let me know what you guys think about it. And if you guys are interested in this product, the link will be down below.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explore, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Yeah. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes. Cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want you. Yeah. Running out of second chances. Ooh, oh. You keep taking me for granted. Ooh, oh. Cause I don't wanna do this any longer. But somehow it's too hard to walk away now. Light a cigarette like you know nothing. It's the price I have to pay. There's something in your text that's got me crawling. Not sure I want it any other way.
I hold it so you can just film me.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami.
Just gonna line this.
Que un origami,
Have you follow me while I'm holding.
más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami. Más simétrica que un origami, de la forma que tú besas, mami. Más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña, pero amor es lo que dicen.
Alright, so let me just get ready, get my Note 9. Balance here on the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. I'm gonna have my partner here follow me while I film. If you have enough counterweight here. We have enough. So still filming me? Okay, here we go guys. We're going to be testing the FreeVision Vilta-m Pro. I'm going to record it with my OSMO Mobile and the Note 9. Okay, so I'm going to pass this on. I'm going to let her hold it. Hold on. Record. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna switch. Alright, so there you go. She's gonna film me. Let's go walk around for a bit here. We're gonna try to go to the actual, what is that, the main camera angle while I'm being filmed on the side, just to see see how I'm holding the gimbal. Now let's go to zoom. Oh, hold on. Zoom. Okay, let's continue to walk. Go to wide, and now I'm gonna try to pick up the pace. and I'm gonna jog. Here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back. Oh shoot. Okay, hold on guys. Alright, so this is the normal angle. I'm gonna run again. And I'm gonna go to zoom. Zoom. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna run. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it back to wide angle again. I'm gonna try to do a selfie, turn it backward just to show you guys what it looks like. If you are gonna use this as a vlogging setup, that's how it would look like. Okay, let's stop. Okay, so now I am using the front facing camera. So the same method, I'm just gonna walk a little bit here and there, and I'm gonna pick up the pace, and then I'm gonna run. Alright, so that's pretty much it guys. That is just a quick video test of the FreeVision Vilta-m Pro. I'll be doing the full review anytime soon this month. Stay tuned for that. And once again guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes. Cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want you. Yeah.